Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this LED 3-color wireless dimmable touch light with a 2000 milliamp battery. Alright, so right here we have our portable LED light. Here is the base part. It connects on here but via magnetic. You do get a charging wire and you do get the light itself. This does have 3 temperatures and they are dimmable. This magnetic closet light has 3 temperatures to switch. You've got white, warm, and white. The long press adjusts to the brightness, so it can also be removed as a flashlight. So right here, this little metal thing will connect to the bottom of here. You can see it snaps on. You can put this under your counters, you can put it next to your bed. In my case, I have it in my office room next to my computer for a little light. You have the switch on and off. So you can see once I have this charged up, it will be super bright. So it's super light. You got the power button right here. You touch it and it will be bright. So this is the white light. If you touch it again, it changes from white to a more of a warm color. You can see that it is super bright. Press a button to turn it on. Press it again to switch from 3 different temperatures. You've got white, warm, light. Long press, you can adjust the brightness, and it does have a flashing. So when you turn it on, you just hold it down and it goes from brightness. So what I'm going to do is take this off. You can see that it does have a magnet. This where you can connect it to wherever you want. All you do is put the 3M tape that goes on the bottom of this to tape it to your wall. You can see this uses a standard micro Android charger. So right here I do have it in my office and it is right above my computer. So it is super bright. I have it up high. You can turn it up high. I'm going to go and change the different modes. So there's the warm light, then it goes back to white, and then it flickers and then it goes off. So if you wanted to make it bright, turn it on, hold it down, it will lighten it up. You hold it down again, it will brighten up. Same thing is the warm. So this is a super nice portable light. You can take this with you. You can put it in your closet, in your office. You can take it with you on the go. If you're in an RV, these are really nice and they do not use any electricity, only when you charge it. So if you're looking for a nice portable light, I'd highly recommend checking these ones out.